Actually, may bisita na naman tayo dito. And I was so surprised. It's so huge. Look at this beak. At may corona pa siya. I don't know what kind of bird is this. And it even stepping on my towel. I slowly and hiding, taking photo actually and videos. Kasi baka lumipad na naman siya at ma-shy. But I think parang purposely na nagpapa-take video pa siya. Imagine siya, nag-posing pa siya. Nag-angle pa siya. Recently, I have few birds visit me. I don't know what's the meaning of that. But then, thank you for the visits, guys. You make my day. And enjoy your stay. What do you want from me? I don't even know. Are you enjoying there? It's so huge. What kind of bird is this? May you enjoy your